Hi, it's Owen from your PE and we're on lesson 5 of outdoor and adventurous activities. We're going to be developing our map navigation skills this lesson by using coordinates to navigate our maps. What you will need for today's lesson are 25 socks, a piece of paper and a pen, and again something that you can use as your controls to hide around your course. We use cones in our video, but you can use what equipment you have available.
You can start today's lesson outside or inside. We're going to start inside, and you need to find 25 socks that you can use to create your coordinates grid. We're going to lay our socks flat on the floor in a 5x5 grid like so. Seeing how our horizontal line is being identified by letters and our vertical line is being identified by numbers. You need to stand in the bottom left hand corner so we're ready to find our coordinates. When finding coordinates, we always look along the bottom first and then up the side. So let's have a practice at finding some coordinates. Can you find A3 and stand next to that sock? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we first find line A and then move up to line 3. Did you get it right? Let's have one more practice. Can you stand next to D4? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So first we move across to the letter D and then move up to number 4. Did you get it right? Ask somebody in your house to test you on finding these coordinates before we move on to our coordinate maps.
So for this activity, it's a progression from last week. Again, just like last lesson, we're going to draw our map out onto our paper. But as a build on from last week, we're now going to draw a 10x10 or a 5x5 grid.
Using our numbers and letters just like we did on our first coordinates activity.
What this will give us is our coordinates grid that we can then use to plot our map and plot our course. So we're going to pass across our map, and then on the separate piece of paper, instead of marking your controls on the map like we did last week, we're going to write a list of the coordinates on a second piece of paper that your navigator must find on the map and then use to find the controls.